To get started with your BMO student account, you first need to open an account. You can do this by visiting a BMO branch near you or by applying online through the BMO website. You will need to provide some personal and identification information to complete the application process. Once your account is open, you will receive a debit card and a checkbook. The debit card can be used to make purchases online or in store, and to withdraw cash from an ATM. The checkbook can be used to pay bills or make purchases by check. To manage your account, you can use online banking or the BMO mobile app. These tools allow you to check your account balance, view your transaction history, and transfer money between accounts. You can also use online banking or the mobile app to pay bills and set up automatic payments. To make the most of your BMO student account, it is a good idea to set up automatic transfers to a savings account. This will help you save money and build a safety net for the future. You can also set up budgeting tools to help you track your spending and stay on top of your finances. Another key feature of the BMO student account is the ability to earn interest on your balance. This means that you can earn money on the money in your account, which can help your savings grow over time. In terms of best practices, it is a good idea to regularly review your account activity to ensure that there are no suspicious transactions. You should also keep your debit card and online banking information safe and secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Overall, the BMO student account is a great tool for managing your finances while you are in school. By following these steps and using the account responsibly, you can build a strong financial foundation and set yourself up for success in the future.